Welcome back to Algebra 2. This is a practice matrix multiplication problem. We have a 3 by 4 times a 4 by 3. So because the inner dimensions match, the 4's, we can multiply them, and the result will have the dimensions 3 by 3. So I've just rewritten the second matrix spaced out so that we'll be able to show how the mechanics of matrix multiplication work. And I've written some spaces in the answer matrix to remind us that we need to fill out 9 spots in our 3 by 3 answer matrix. Okay, so first we're going to start by focusing on the top row of the first matrix, and we're going to rewrite that next to each column of the second matrix. Here's what that looks like. Right, so I've underlined the top row, 2, 1, negative 1, 3, and I've rewritten it downwards next to each column of the second matrix. And now, of course, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the 2 times the 1 times the negative 2, the negative 1 times the 3 times the 5, and then we're going to add all of those together. And then we're going to repeat this process in the other 2 columns. Just to show you what I mean, here's how it looks in one of the columns, the first column. We can see that 2 times 1, 1 times negative 2, negative 1 times 3, and 3 times 5. If you add the results of those multiplications up, you get 12. And so the top left entry in our answer matrix is 12. Okay, in the next frame I'm going to show you the answers to the other 2 columns, and then we're going to start working on row number 2 from the first matrix. Okay, so I've finished filling out the top row of the answer matrix based on that first row in the first matrix. And now I've underlined the second row in the first matrix and written that next to each column in the second matrix. Now you might want to stop the video, pause it, and see if you can do these on your own. We're going to do the same thing, multiply and then add to get the second row of the answer matrix. Did you get the same things that I got? Negative 2, 0, and 1? Good. Okay, so now the last row in the first matrix, multiplying by each column in the second matrix, is going to give us the last row in our answer matrix. Try this one. Hopefully you got that negative 24, 1, and 13 like I did. Alright, so we're done with this multiplication. Here below I've shown all the working out for finding just the bottom left entry in the answer matrix, the negative 24. If you ever had to, in a project or on a test, show your working out, this is how you would do it. It's a lot of working out for just one element, but each step is quite simple. I hope that this example has helped you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hope I got.